I'm going to share with you how you can easily identify candlestick patterns. Now, if you're a new trader and you find it a bit hard to identify the various candlestick patterns, right? Like a bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, dojis, all this is very confusing for you. Please watch this video because in today's video, I'm going to teach you a shortcut of how you can actually use indicator that's available for free. Okay, for free. You can access this indicator for free on a free trading platform to help you in your analysis. Okay, so let's jump into today's video. So this chart over here is actually a website that offers a trading platform that is a browser-based trading platform. So over here, this is actually TradingView. Okay, if you are new to trading and you don't know of this website, I highly recommend you to check it out. It's called tradingview.com. Okay, I just type it out for you over here. Okay, so I actually have another video about how to use this platform. So if you need more tutorials about this, please check out the other video. Okay, but in today's video, that's not the focus. In today's video, the focus is actually to find out how to easily identify the different candlestick patterns. Okay, so what you want to do over here is you want to head over to tradingview.com, pull out a chart. Okay, in this case, we are looking at the euro dollar chart. Okay, doesn't really matter which currency you're looking at or which stocks or indexes you're looking at. Okay, just pull out a chart. Okay, you want to go on to over here, indicators and strategies. Okay, and what you want to type is actually you want to type the candlestick pattern. Okay, so you can see over here that there's actually a lot of so-called indicators to help you. Okay, but the indicator that I want to introduce you today is actually just this candles. Okay, candles 5. Let me just see if I can find for you the exact one. Okay, candlesticks patterns identified. I'm using this one. Okay, you can click the star. Star basically means you are adding it to your favorite. So just click it and it will show up. Okay, so right now I have 2 of it being shown up. So I will just delete one. Okay, so you can see over here that it's actually very useful. Okay, you can see, oh, this is a bearish harami, right? You have a bullish engulfing, you have a bullish engulfing. Okay, so over here in the settings, you can see that you have different styles. Okay, so of course you can customize how it looks, whether you want it in green, because green is a bit hard to read. Okay, if you are new, I wouldn't recommend touching all the settings. Okay, I mean, you can, like, where does it show, right? This one, it shows at the top, or but to me, I think you just show it below the bar so that you can see it easily. Okay, so I won't touch too much of this. Honestly, there's no need to touch all this. Over here, you have the trend in bar. Honestly, all these settings are not something that I touch. Okay, recommend you to just use it as it is. Okay. So you can see over here that this indicator is very easy to use. Okay, we are on a daily time frame, and if you have not downloaded a copy of our day trading guide, make sure you download a copy. The link is in the description. We teach the importance of using the daily chart and using candlesticks to identify your entry. So over here right now, I mean, it just so happened that you have a bullish harami of the support level, and this is actually a signal to long. Okay, based on our trading strategy as spelled out in the day trading guide. Okay, that's one of the strategies we use. It's not the only strategy we use, but it's one of the strategy we use. Okay, so if you are new, make sure you download a copy of that, right? So you can actually use that trading guide together with this indicator to help you identify good trading opportunities. Okay, so that's how this indicator works. You can see it's really pretty straightforward. But before I end off this video, I just want to clarify that please do not use this indicator out of context. Okay, what do I mean by do not use it out of context? Don't just see every single pattern and start trading. For example, if you look at this bearish harami and you just start selling, oh, this is a sell, oh, this is a sell. Okay, that's not the way to trade. Okay, there are some good signals, there are some that are not good. Okay, for example, if you buy here, you are literally buying the downtrend. It's not a good idea. This one, okay, maybe this one you sell because you're in downtrend. It's fine. Okay, but please understand that don't just apply an indicator and start trading. Okay, it's going to cost you to lose a lot of money. Okay, that's not the way I teach you. Okay, if you look at my other videos, I always say that you need to identify the price action context, right? in our day trading guide, we give you a very good step-by-step process about first identifying the market trend, right? Identifying whether you want to be a buyer or a seller, identify key levels, then you look for a candlestick pattern of the key level, right? That's a step-by-step process, okay? You don't just put in the indicator and you try to this is sell, this is sell, this is a buy, this is a buy, okay? It's not so simple, okay? If it's so simple, then everyone will make money, okay? There's no need for all these forex courses and stuff like that, okay? So this is a short video. Just make sure you check this out. It's a free indicator. It's a free platform. Okay, if you have any questions about how to use this, or if you know you're still struggling with all these names and how to read a candlestick, check out our other videos, right? We talk about how to identify, how to read a candlestick pattern. What does this mean? This means that, oh, this is open, this is a close, so this is a bearish candle. All these are basics which we teach, okay? It's all free on YouTube, so just make sure you watch it, subscribe to our channel if you are new. Okay, so that's it for today's lesson. If any questions, just leave a comment down below and do our best to address it. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.